Hey guys, hope you are good. So today I am gonna teach you variation of mass with velocity, and I guarantee you that once you understand this topic you are not gonna forget it, at least till your exams. I'm also give you some tricks to remember the derivation and some most remember points in the derivation. So let us make diagram of this derivation. So this is y-axis, this is z-axis, and this is as usual x-axis. This is our y dash, z dash, and this is x dash. And we have a particle A which is moving in this direction with mass m1 and velocity u1, or we can say u dash. And we have a particle B moving in opposite direction of A, having mass m2 and this with minus u dash velocity. And the velocity of in this frame is v in this direction. This is O point and this is O dash observers. Okay, so as we have already done in our last class, so u dash equal to u dash plus v upon 1 plus u dash v upon c square, and u2, this is u1 gentlemen, and u2 equal to minus u dash plus v upon 1 minus 1 minus u dash v upon c square. We have taken positive sign in both numerator and denominator because we are talking about the particle A which is moving in this direction with positive velocity, but our particle B is moving against the velocity v, and so that's why we have taken negative sign. And we know from law of conservation of momentum that momentum before impact equal to momentum after impact implies what? m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equal to m1 plus m2 into v. And this is because the time when both the particles collide with each other, their mass is unite and they have velocity v, right? So we have m1 putting the value of u1, this one, and u2, this one. So m1 u dash plus v upon 1 plus u dash v upon c square, plus m2 putting the value of u dash minus u dash plus v upon 1 minus u dash plus v upon c square, and this is equal to m1 plus m2 into v. Now we have to rearrange the terms, so rearranging the terms, so we have m1 u dash plus v upon 1 plus u dash v upon c square. When this terms goes in left hand side, it becomes minus v after taking m1 common, right? And similarly in this side we have m2 v minus this terms goes this side, so v minus u dash plus v upon v upon 1 minus u dash v upon c square. Now moving forward, we have m1 u dash plus v minus v plus or negative sign u dash v square upon c square whole divided by 1 plus u dash v upon c square, and this is equal to m2 v minus v plus u dash minus minus plus and plus v dash v plus u dash minus v and when it goes to this side it becomes minus uv dash square u dash v square upon c square whole divided by 1 minus u dash v upon c square. Okay gentlemen, now in our next step we have m1, v and v cancel out each other, and in this case we cancel again v and this one minus v, so we left with m1 u dash minus u dash v square upon c square upon 1 plus u dash v upon c square, and this is equal to m2 u dash minus u dash v square upon c square and whole divided by 1 minus u dash v upon c square. Okay gentlemen, now we left with m1 upon m2 equal to 1 plus u dash v upon c square whole divided by 1 minus u dash v upon c square. Both the numerator cancel out each other because they are same. This portion goes in the numerator in right hand side and this m2 comes in denominator in left hand side. So till now we have find this expression. Okay, now we have to go further. Now so to make this derivation simple, let us give equation numbers. Gentlemen, this is our equation number 1, this is our equation number 2, okay, and this is our equation number 4, 3, and finally this is our equation number 4. Okay, so now squaring equation 1 we get, and what is equation 1? This is our equation number 1, right? So u1 square equal to u dash plus v upon 1 plus u dash v upon c square whole square, right? Now subtract both of them from 1, we will get 1 minus u1 square upon c square equal to 1 minus 1 upon c square, and c square because we have taken c out, c square common from this equation, right? So now we left with u dash plus v upon 1 plus u dash v upon c square. So what we have done here is that we have subtract u1 square from 1 and divide this from c square, and same thing we have done in our right hand side. We have subtract this whole equation from 1 and divide by c square, right? Now moving forward, 1 minus u1 square upon c square equal to 1 plus u dash v upon c square, okay, having whole square and minus 1 upon c square u dash plus v whole square, okay, and dividing complete equation from 1 plus u dash v upon c square whole square, and this is whole square, gentlemen. Now moving forward, we have 1 minus u1 square upon c square equal to, now opening this square, so we will left with 1 plus u dash square v square upon c to the power 4 plus 2 u dash v upon c square minus u dash square upon c square minus v square upon c square and minus 2 u dash v upon c square and whole divided by 1 plus u dash v upon c square having whole square. So now moving forward, this is a little bit lengthy derivation but easy, and I hope you know how we open this square. So let me write formula also. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So all same thing I have written here, but because of a negative sign all these terms becomes negative, okay. Now moving forward, till here we have done. Now we are moving towards our next step. So 1 minus u1 square upon c square equal to, we can write it like 1 minus v square upon c square, and moving forward, okay, so 1 minus v square upon c square minus u dash square upon c square 1 minus v square upon c square, okay gentlemen, and these two terms cancel out each other. So in divide we have 1 plus u dash v upon c square, okay, having whole square. Now this is equal to 1 minus v square upon c square into 1 minus u dash square upon c square upon 1 plus u dash v upon c square having whole square, okay. So moving forward, we have 1 minus okay, till here we have find, so we have 1 minus u1 right, okay, u1 square upon c square, let me write it clearly. So we have find my 1 minus u1 square upon c square equal to 1 minus v square upon c square into 1 minus u dash square upon c square whole divided by 1 plus u dash v upon c square whole square. So now we have 1 plus u dash v upon c square, and this is our equation of 1 plus u dash okay, we are finding this value. So 1 plus u dash v upon c square's value is, we get this value as 1 minus v square upon c square when it goes to this side, okay. So we will left with 1 minus v square upon c square into 1 minus u dash upon c square upon 1 minus u1 square upon c square under root, right? Similarly, 1 minus u dash v upon c square equal to 1 minus v square upon c square into 1 minus u dash square upon c square and whole divided by 1 minus u2 whole square upon c square under root. So this is our equation number 5 and this is our equation number 6. Okay, so we have done our main work and we are at the end of our derivation. So from equation 5 and equation 6 we have 1 plus u dash v upon c square divided by 1 minus u dash v upon c square equal to, gentlemen, as both of them have same numerator, so it will cancel out and we left with under root 1 minus u2 square upon c square whole divided by 1 minus u1 square upon c square. Okay, now moving towards our final thing. So we will have when we, so now squaring. Okay, so moving back to our equation number 1. So okay, now from equation 4. Okay, actually because of number of pages little confusion here, but that is alright. So from equation 4, 1 plus u dash v upon c square is equal to m1. So m1 and 1 minus u dash v upon c square is m2. So m1 upon m2 equal to under root 1 minus u2 square upon c square divided by 1 minus u1 square upon c square. Okay, so this is the relation, gentlemen. Okay, now we have some cases. Case number 1. Okay, so if u2 equal to 0 and m2 equal to m0, then m1 becomes m0 upon 1 minus u1 square upon c square under root. Okay, so if u2 is 0, then its under root becomes 1 and m2 is m0, so when m0 multiplied by 1 it becomes m0, right? Now moving to our case number 2, that is when m1 equal to m and u1 equal to v. So we will have m equal to m0 upon 1 minus v square upon c square under root, right? So gentlemen, this is all about this topic. Hope you understand this concept, and please subscribe to my channel, like the video and share among your friends. If you have any suggestion and want any separate topic to be discussed here, do comment below. In our next video, we will learn Einstein's mass energy equivalence relation. Thank you, gentlemen.